Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a slip knot using two different methods. First, take the yarn with the tail end facing you and wrap the working yarn around two fingers to form an X, holding the yarn in place with your pinky finger. Then, insert your hook under the first strand, grab the second strand and pull it through. Then, adjust the size by pulling on the tail end of your yarn. Now, let's move on to the second method. Take your yarn and wrap it around your left index finger twice, forming two loops. Pick up the second loop and place it over the first loop. Next, take the first loop and place it above the second loop. Slide the loops off your finger and tighten by pulling on the tail end, and then adjust the size as needed. And that is it. Two quick and easy ways to make a slip knot for your crochet projects.